Oh my gosh! Yeah, a new box has arrived and I can't wait to open it. So I'm gonna open it with you. And I literally, UPS just dropped it off and I am excited because this is a box of the new National Scrapbook Day stuff. So let's see. Okay, one of my favorite things. One of my absolute favorite things. I am so excited for this. And let me see if I can, of course, when you're trying to do something live, things get stuck and won't open for you. Isn't that the way it always is? So, there, finally. I am pretty happy about this one. This is a new punch, and it is the cutest little bumblebee. I cannot wait to use that. So, get that out of the package. And let's see, what else do we have in here? Okay, I have, oh, this is cute. So it's like a little mini photo album. And let's see if I can pull it out. So it is something that you could do, oh, fun. Yeah, it even has like adhesive in it. So this is set up so that you can do this project with your kids or your grandchildren. You have all the instructions for doing this little mini album. And this is the cover. It's super cute. And I'm trying to think how many pages that would be. So by the looks of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 double page spreads. So it's not like a huge album, but they're done so you have like page starts. So you have the base part of the page done, and then you can add things to it, and then it comes with little adhesive things too. So it's a mini photo album, and that is super cute. And oh my goodness, fun stuff here. This is plastic wrapped, so I hope that I can get it so that you don't, okay, there we go, no glare. So that is the album that is here, and it's kind of a periwinkle blue. It's really pretty. And I absolutely love these papers. So let me get some of these out and show you. And of course there is project recipe that's included with it. So you get a little booklet, and in that booklet it has, or it's not a booklet, I guess it's a couple pieces of paper, but it shows you the cutting guide, it shows you the layouts you can make. It has a full sheet of stickers and beautiful papers. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I love this periwinkle blue color. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then the back side of it, it reminds me of little chicken feet. So it's a pretty green on the back, and then some fun cloud paper. And on the back, it's like a honeycomb on the back, but it's really just a light tone on tone. It's a really versatile piece of paper. I think sometimes the ones that aren't like the prettiest, but the tone on tone colors actually are the first ones you use. And oh my goodness, this beautiful blue. And there is a pattern to that I can't even tell you what the pattern is. It's kind of pebble stone maybe, and then a pretty plaid on the other side. So there's 2 sheets of each of those, and then a couple sheets of cardstock in there. So that's like a little kit that they do up and put together. And so that's kind of the National Scrapbook Day mini kit. And then there is a sampler pack of cardstock with dark green, goldenrod, light blue, navy, and white. You get 2 of each of those in the cardstock pack. And then these are, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. These are the laser cuts. So you have everything from a full page laser cut. Let's see if I can get this out of the package. And I'll leave this paper behind it so you can see, but that is the full page laser cut, which is beautiful. And then there are also, there's a couple in here. Let's see if I can get them out fast enough to show you. Okay, oh fun. All right, so this is just like a little lattice border. So you could use this to frame a picture if you have a favorite picture. You can use it either way, or you could also put a journaling box in there and tell a story. So it's 2 different colors, depending upon whether you want to use the white or the blue. And then this is a floral, and it's really light pastel colors. The other side is white, so if you were to put this on a navy blue, that would be really pretty as well on the white side. And then we have dimensional embellishments. And take them out of the package so that we can see them really well. This is super cute. This is one of my favorites. You can see that. So that you can see the dimension with it. So cute. But there are, there's a pack of 4 of those embellishments. There is a little pack of die cuts, which you can't see super well there. Let's see what else we had in here. There is a pack of borders here somewhere, and I seem to have lost them. Oh, here they are. These are, so the laser cut comes with the large border that I showed you, and then the 2 that were like the size like a 5x7. And then, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at that little bicycle one. Different colors on each side. And the little baskets. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh my goodness, those are so cute. And little flowers. And these kind of remind me of little, is it flax? The little flax that I see in the spring. And a couple more borders. And then this one is just kind of a beaded border. So those are so super cute too. So anyway, National Scrapbook Day stuff. They always do a really fun sketch booklet. So it'll show you everything from doing your cards to your layouts. Lots and lots of ideas to do with that, as well as border ideas on the back. And then this is a coordinating paper pack that you can get that goes with it. And this is called Garden Friends, 6 sheets of double-sided paper. So there's 3 different papers, two of each, yeah, 6 total. So you've got a nice stripe, and then another beautiful with those little blue flowers and bees. And then this is kind of a all over. Is that the one I just showed? No, it's different. Oh, this is fun. Okay, so this is unique because that blue flower was on 2 of them, and the opposite side had the blue, and then it had the cream. So I'm seeing this for the first time, just like you. So this is one side, and then it has the green on the other. And then the same little beetle, little ladybug, with the honeycomb on the back. So that little beetle had both the honeycomb on one side and the dark green on the other. That is clever. Okay, I really like that. And then this is a cute little bee design, and the opposite side has a light blue with little dots. And then that same bee design with kind of like it reminds me of a light blue like tablecloth pattern. So that is a coordinating paper. So there are lots and lots of fun things, and this is like the first little sneak peek that we've had. So I will be sharing a lot more with you soon, but I wanted to just open it quickly. Literally UPS had dropped it off like 5 minutes before I did this video, but I just wanted to get on here and share it with you. This is really exciting, and I would love if any of you want to place an order for National Scrapbook Day, the little kit that has all the little fun stuff in it. If you want to place your own order, there are so many extras that you can order that go along with this collection. Anyway, enjoy. I hope you love it as much as I do. It is such a pretty collection, and I think it's just going to be super versatile and have a lot of fun things that we can do with it.